Hello everyone, this is another easiest question from NEET 2026 Physics. The question is on distance, speed and time formula. Question is the speed of the light in vacuum is taken as unity. So unity means 1, speed is given to be 1 unit. If the light takes 6 minutes 40 seconds to reach on the earth, then the distance between the sun and earth is in units. Okay, so speed is given 1, we have to find out distance. So formula of distance is nothing but speed multiplied by time. Okay, so speed is given to be 1, so you have to just multiply with the time to find out the distance. So time is given 6 minute into 40 second, so we'll convert time in terms of second. So 6 minute means 6 multiplied by 60, so that is 36 360 second plus extra 40 seconds, so 360 plus 40, which is 400 second. So total time is 400 seconds. So if you multiply here 1 into 400, we'll get total 400 unit distance. So the correct answer is fourth one. Thank you.